Hello student. In previous videos, we have completed practice set 1.1, 1.2. Now in this video, we will learn Venn diagrams, subset, universal set, complement of a set, and lastly practice set 1.3. या व्हिडिओमध्ये मी मराठी आणि इंग्रजी या दोन्ही भाषांचा वापर करणार आहे. चला तर सुरू करूया. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल Venn diagrams. Okay. British logician John Venn was the first to use close figures to represent sets. Such representation are called Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams are very useful in order to understand and illustrate the relationship among the sets and to solve the examples based on the sets. Okay. आणि Venn diagrams च्या साहाय्याने आपण काही एक्झाम्पल्स देखील सॉल्व्ह करू शकतो. Let us understand the use of Venn diagrams from the following example. A is equals to in curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Set A is shown by Venn diagram like this. This set is denoted by the A. This is the oval shape. oval चा आकार आहे यामध्ये. आणि हे सर्व एलिमेंट्स आपण इथे घेणार 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And now the introduction of the John Venn. John Venn is the first mathematician who gave the mathematical form to logic and probability. His famous book is Logic of Chance. Okay, ही त्या जॉन व्हेनची थोडक्यात इथे माहिती दिलेली आहे. Now the example. B is equals to in curly bracket x is such that x lies between minus 10 and 0. X is equals to minus 10 and x is equals to 0 also. X is an integer. Okay, we know the set of integer, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 up to infinity. This is the set of integer. मग B हा सेट आपल्याला कसा लिहिता येईल? In Venn diagram, we will start from the minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 and 0. This set is denoted by B. हा रेक्टँगल मध्ये आपण घेतलेला आहे. ओके. नाव दी नेक्स्ट. सबसेट म्हणजे काय? ओके. नाव विल डिफाइन दी सबसेट. If A and B are two given sets and every element of set B is also an element of set A, then B is subset of A, which is symbolically written as B is a subset of A. It is read as B is a subset of A or B is subset A. B subset A. Okay. Now the example. A is equals to in curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, हा सेट आहे. And B is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8. B हा सेट जर आपण बघितला, B चे सगळे एलिमेंट्स A मध्ये आहे. Therefore the B is a subset of A. ओके. इथे A सेट घेतलेला आहे होईल आकारामध्ये. त्यामध्ये सर्व एलिमेंट्स घेतलेले आहेत 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the elements of the B are, that's a 2, 4, 6, 8. B is a subset of A. Okay. Now the next. Every element of set B is also an element of set A. Therefore the B is a subset of A. This can be represented by Venn diagram as above. Okay. आणि हा B हा सेट पूर्णपणे A मध्ये आहे. त्याचे सर्व एलिमेंट्स B चे A मध्ये आहेत. Therefore the B is a subset of A and it is shown by this Venn diagram. Okay. Now the next activity. Set of the student in a class and the set of the student in the same class who can swim are shown by Venn diagram. बाहेरचा जो सेट दाखवलाय the set of the student in a class आणि त्यामध्येच असे स्टुडंट्स आहेत, students who can swim. Student who can swim is a subset of set of student in a class. Okay. Now observe the diagram and draw the Venn diagram for the following subsets. Now here the first example, set of the students in a class. Second, set of the student who can ride bicycles in the same class. Okay, now we'll draw the Venn diagram for this. See this here. The set of the student in a class. Second, set of the students who can ride bicycles in the same class. Okay. Next Venn diagram. Set of fruits is given as follows: guava, orange, mango, jackfruits, chiku, jamun, custard apple, papaya, and plum. Show these subsets: fruits with one seed, fruits with more than one seed. Okay, now we'll see this the first set of fruits. Set B, fruits with more than one seed: guava, orange, chiku, jackfruit, custard apple, papaya. And what about the fruits with one seed? Okay, jamun, mango, and plum. Okay, and this is called the आलू बुखारा. या प्रकारे आपल्याला ते दोन्ही सबसेट्स दाखवता येतील. फ्रुट्स विथ मोर दॅन वन सीड अँड द फ्रूट विथ वन सीड. ओके, नाव लेट्स सी some more subsets. Example number 2, n is equals to set of natural number, I is equals to set of integers. Okay, and here the set of natural number is a subset of integers. The integers घेतलेले बघा, 0 1 2 3 up to infinity, -1 -2 -3 up to the minus infinity. Set of natural number is a subset of set of integer. Set of whole number is also set of integer. Okay, now the next. P is equals to, in curly bracket, x is such that x is a square root of 25. S is equals to, in curly bracket, y is such that y belongs to I, and the y lies between -5 plus 5, y is equals to 5 also, and y is equals to -5. Okay, now first we write the set P. P आपल्याला असा सेट पाहिजे की असे नंबर्स की ज्याचा स्क्वेअर 25. मग -5चा स्क्वेअर देखील 25 येतो, 5चा स्क्वेअर देखील 25 येतो. Therefore, the set P is as P is equals to, in curly bracket, -5 and 5. Let us write the set S. Set S, y belongs to set of integer, and the value of y lies between -5 and the +5. Therefore, the set S is -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the set S. Okay. Now the next. Here, every element of the set P is also an element of set S. Therefore, the P is a subset of S. Okay. Now next. Remember this. Every set is a subset of itself. A is a subset of A. म्हणजे प्रत्येक सेट हा आपल्या स्वतःचा हा सबसेट असतो. Therefore, A is a subset of A. Empty set is a subset of every set. That is, a phi is a subset of A. Okay, म्हणजे प्रत्येक सेट मध्ये एम्प्टी सेट असतोच. Okay, next, if A is equals to B, then A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A. This is very important. If A is a subset of B and the B is a subset of A, then A is equals to B. Okay, म्हणजे या पार्टचा कॉन्व्हर्स घेतलेला आहे. If A is equals to B, it means that A हा B चा सबसेट आहे आणि B हा A चा सबसेट आहे. आणि याचा कॉन्व्हर्स काय होऊ शकतो? If A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A, it means that A is equals to B. Okay. Now the next example. If A is equals to, in curly bracket, 1, 3, 4, 7, 8, then write all possible subset of A. P is equals to, in curly bracket, 1, 3. T is equals to, in curly bracket, 4, 7, 8. V is equals to, in curly bracket, 1, 4, 8. Okay. S is equals to, in curly bracket, 1, 4, 7, 8. In this way, many subsets can be written. Okay, write the 5 more subset of A. आता A चे आपल्याला अजून 5 सबसेट लिहिता येतील. तर ते कसे लिहायचे? Now we'll see this here. B is equals to 1 या प्रकारे लिहिता येईल. C is equals to in curly bracket 1 3. D is equals to in curly bracket 1 3 4. E is equals to in curly bracket 1 3 4 7. F is equals to in curly bracket 1 3 7 8. Okay, and in this way we have written the 5 subsets of A. Okay, now the next activity दिले त्याने आपल्याला. Every student should take 9 triangular sheets. प्रत्येक विद्यार्थी हे जे दिलेत त्याने आपल्याला ते 9 ट्रायंग्युलर शीट्स घेणार आहेत. शीट्स ऑफ पेपर अँड 1 प्लेट आणि एक प्लेट घेणार आहेत. Numbers from 1 to 9 should be written on each triangle. जे 9 ट्रायंग्युलर शीट्स असतील पेपर शीट्स त्या प्रत्येकावरती 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 पर्यंत लिहिणार आहेत. Everyone should keep some numbered triangles in the plate. आणि त्या प्लेटमध्ये आपण ते सम नंबर्स लिहिलेले शीट्स इथे ठेवणार आहोत. नाव द ट्रायंगल्स इन ईच प्लेट फॉर्म अ सबसेट ऑफ द सेट ऑफ नंबर्स फ्रॉम 1 to 9. ओके, आता या ठिकाणी सुजाताने काय केले? ही हॅज रिटन 1 3 5 7 9. ओके, हमीदने काय केले? 2 4 6 8. मुक्ता 1 4 9. Nandini 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and the Joseph 2 3 5 7. Look at the plates of Sujata, Hamid, Mukta, Nandini, Joseph with the numbered triangles. Guess the thinking behind the selecting these numbers. Hence, write the subsets in set builder form. आता सुजाताचे जर नंबर आपण घेतले तर त्या ठिकाणी आपल्याला काय मिळेल? These are the all odd numbers and this is the subset of the numbers from 1 to 9. हमीदच्या बाबतीत काय बघायला मिळेल आपल्याला? These are the even numbers from 1 to 9. What about the Mukta? That is the square numbers from 1 to 9. नंदिनीच्या बाबतीत काय? तर every element this is a subset of itself. Okay, and जोसेफच्या बाबतीत काय मिळेल आपल्याला? These are the prime numbers, that is a 2 3 5 7. This is the subset of the set from 1 to 9. Okay, now the next, let's discuss. Some sets are given below. A is equals to 0 2 4 6 up to infinity, -2 -4 up to minus infinity. B is equals to in curly bracket 1 2 3. C is equals to in curly bracket 0 6 12 18 up to infinity, -6 -12 up to minus infinity. Okay, and D is equals to 0 8 0 4 8 up to infinity, -4 -8 up to the minus infinity. I is equals to in curly bracket 0 1 2 3 4 up to infinity, -1 -2 -3 up to minus infinity. Discuss and decide which of the following statements are true. Okay, A is subset of sets BCD. A हा BCD चा सबसेट आहे का? No. ओके, A मधले एलिमेंट्स सर्व एलिमेंट्स या BCD मध्ये नाही आहेत. Therefore A is not subset of BCD. Okay, next, B is a subset of all the sets which are given above. Okay, no, B is not subset of all the sets given above, but B is a subset of I only. B हा फक्त I चाच सबसेट आहे. Okay, now the next set is a universal set. Think of bigger set which will accommodate all the given sets under consideration, which in general is known as universal set, की ज्या सेटमध्ये सर्व सेट्स असतात under consideration. So that the set under consideration are the subsets of this universal set. Okay, तर त्यासाठी एक एक्झाम्पल बघूया आपण. Suppose we want to study the student in class 9 who frequently remain absent. असे विद्यार्थी की जे frequently absent असतात 9th क्लासचे. Okay. Then we have to think all the students of class 9 who are in the school. आता या ठिकाणी सर्व नववीचे जे काही स्टुडंट्स असतील, हा काय होणार, नववीच्या स्टुडंटचा हा युनिव्हर्सल सेट होणार. आणि त्यामध्ये स्टुडंट who remained absent, this is the subset of this universal set of the class 9. Okay, so all the student in a school or the student of all the divisions of class 9 in the school is the universal set. Okay, त्या स्कूल मधले सर्व विद्यार्थी, दॅट इज ऑल द स्टुडंट इन अ स्कूल, हा युनिव्हर्सल सेट होऊ शकतो. और द स्टुडंट ऑफ ऑल द डिव्हिजन ऑफ क्लास 9 in the school is universal set. Okay, now the next example. A cricket team of 15 students is to be selected from a school. Here all the students from the school who play cricket is the universal set. त्या स्कूलमध्ये जे जे विद्यार्थी क्रिकेट खेळतात हा युनिव्हर्सल सेट होणार आहे. आणि त्यातले 15 स्टुडंट की जे आपण सिलेक्ट करणार आहे हा त्याचा सबसेट होणार आहे. अ टीम ऑफ 15 cricket player is a subset of universal set. Generally, the universal set is denoted by U, and in Venn diagram, it is represented by a rectangle. Okay, this is the U, universal set. All the student in school who play cricket. U म्हणजे काय? All the student in school who play cricket. आणि ओव्हल शेप मध्ये आपण काय घेतलेले, टीम ऑफ क्रिकेट प्लेयर्स, यामध्ये फक्त 15 स्टुडंट्स असणार आहे. दॅट इज अ टीम ऑफ क्रिकेट प्लेयर. दिस टीम ऑफ द क्रिकेट प्लेयर इज अ सबसेट ऑफ दिस युनिव्हर्सल सेट. युनिव्हर्सल सेट मीन्स व्हॉट? ऑल द स्टुडंट इन स्कूल हू प्ले क्रिकेट. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट, कॉम्प्लिमेंट ऑफ अ सेट बघणार आहोत आपण आता. ओके, suppose U is an universal set. If B is a subset of U, then the set of all element in U which are not in B is called the complement of B. It is denoted by B dash or B raised to C. या प्रकारे लिहिलं जातं. B complement is defined as, okay, B complement कसा डिनोट करणार? B is equals to, in curly bracket, X is such that X belongs to U but X does not belongs to B dash. This is the B complement, and the union of B and B complement is U. Okay, ते आपण पुढे शिकणार आहोत. Now here U is equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, जर आपण A मध्ये 2 4 6 8 10 जर घेतला, then the elements in A complement म्हणजे other than 2 4 6 8 10 but which are in U, म्हणजे 2 4 6 8 10 सोडून उरलेले U मधले सर्व घेणार. म्हणजे कोणकोणते? 1 घेणार, इथे 2 घेणार का? नाही, तर 2 हा ऑलरेडी A मध्ये आहे. 3 घेणार, 3 हा A मध्ये नाहीये. नेक्स्ट we'll take the 5. 5 is not in A. 7 is not in A. Next 9 is not in A. Okay, therefore A is equals to 2 4 6 8 10, and the A complement is a 1 3 5 7 9. Next, it is represented by the Venn diagram. U is equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, like this. A complement म्हणजे काय? तर 1 3 5 7 9 अदर दॅन A. A मध्ये काय आहे तर 2 4 6 8, 10 आणि उरलेले यू मधले सगळे ते ए कॉम्प्लिमेंट मध्ये असणार आहे. ओके, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 दिस वे. ओके, now the next, suppose u is equals to 1, 3, 9, 11, 13, 18, 19. B is equals to 3, 9, 11, 13. B complement is equals to 1, 18, 19. Okay. Now find B complement of complement, that is the B complement आणि त्याचा complement, and draw the inference. Okay. Now the complement of complement म्हणजे B complement चा complement जर find out करायचा असेल तर आपण other than the elements 1, 18, 19 या व्यतिरिक्त एलिमेंट्स घेणार. मग ते कोणते येणार? दॅट इज द एलिमेंट्स आर 3, 9, 11, 13. ओके, दिस इज द कॉम्प्लिमेंट ऑफ कॉम्प्लिमेंट, दॅट इज अ बी कॉम्प्लिमेंट आणि पुन्हा त्याचा कॉम्प्लिमेंट. ओके, therefore the B complement and its complement is the set of the elements which are not in B complement but in U. Therefore its B complement and its complement is equals to B. Yes, it's a B. Okay, and therefore the complement of complement is the original set. Now to understand this concept with the Venn diagram. Now see this, the Venn diagram. तर U हा युनिव्हर्सल सेट घेतलेला आहे या ठिकाणी. त्यामध्ये 1, 3, 9, 11, 13, 18, 19. बी मध्ये काय घेतले? बी इज अ 3, 9, 11, 13. मला बी कॉम्प्लिमेंट जर शोधायचं असेल, दॅट इज अ बी कॉम्प्लिमेंट इज इक्वल्स टू अदर दॅन 3, 9, 11, 13 means what? 1, 18, 19. दिस इज दी बी कॉम्प्लिमेंट. आणि पुन्हा या बी कॉम्प्लिमेंटचा कॉम्प्लिमेंट जर फाइंड आउट करायचा असेल तर अदर दॅन 1, 18, 19 means what? 3, 9, 11, 13. And hence complement of complement is the original set. Okay, now the next, remember this properties of complement of a set. No element are common in A and A complement. A is a subset of U and A complement is also subset of U. Complement of U is empty set and the complement of empty set is U under the consideration. Okay, complement of phi is a U. Means what? आपण त्या ठिकाणी ज्या प्रकारचा सेट कन्सिडर करत आहोत तोच मात्र त्या ठिकाणी कॉम्प्लिमेंट ऑफ phi is U असतो. ओके, नेक्स्ट, practice set 1.3. Now the first example, if A is equals to in curly bracket A, B, C, D, E, B is equals to in curly bracket C, D, E, F, C is equals to in curly bracket B, D, D is equals to in curly bracket A, E, then which of the following statements are true and which are false? The first example, C is a subset of B. C हा B चा subset आहे का? No. Okay, C is not the subset of B. This is the false. Okay, तर का नाहीये? तर C मधला B हा element हा B मध्ये नाहीये. Therefore it is not the subset. It's a false. Next, if again A दिलेला आहे B, C and D. A is a subset of D. A मध्ये एवढे एलिमेंट्स आहेत आणि D मध्ये फक्त A आणि E. Therefore again this is the false. A is not subset of D. A मधले एलिमेंट्सची संख्या कशी आहे? ते ऑलरेडी जास्त आहे. D मध्ये कमी आहे आणि A आणि E आहे फक्त. But what about the B, C, D? Okay, and therefore this is the false. Next, D is a subset of B. D मध्ये A आणि E आहे आणि B मध्ये A नाही आहे, E आहे. Therefore again this is the false. D is not subset of B. Next, D is a subset of A. Now see this there. D has the element A and E and A also has the element A and E and therefore D is a subset of A. This is true. Okay. Next, B is a subset of A. B is subset of A. No, this is not possible because all the elements of B are not in A and hence it is not subset. Okay, for example, B मध्ये F आहे तर तो A मध्ये आहे का? तर नाही आहे. C आहे, D आहे, E आहे, but the element F belongs to B and F does not belongs to A and hence B is not subset of A. Now, next, C is a subset of A. Set C has the element B and D and the set A has also element B and D. Therefore, this is the true. C is a subset of A. All the elements of C are in A and hence C is a subset of A. Next, take the set of natural numbers from 1 to 20 as universal set and show the set X and Y using Venn diagram. X is equals to in curly bracket X such that X belongs to set of natural number and X lies between 7 and 15. Okay. Now see this the number more than 7 म्हणजे 7 पेक्षा मोठा पाहिजे आणि 15 पेक्षा लेस पाहिजे 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 this is X. Now see this the Venn diagram U and these are the elements in X now. X मध्ये कोणकोणते आहेत 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Okay, and the next is the elements of this U again. Okay, this is the required Venn diagram. X दाखवलाय आपण यामध्ये. X has the element which lies between 7 and 15, 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Okay, आणि हा U यामध्ये दाखवलाय आपण other than X. Next, y is equals to in curly bracket y is such that y belongs to set of natural number. Y is a prime number from 1 to 20. पुन्हा आपण दाखवूया y is equals to prime numbers 2 3 5 7 11 13 17 19. Okay, this is the U. या ठिकाणी प्राईम नंबर्स स्टार्ट झालेत. आता जसे जसे प्राईम नंबर्स येतील या प्रकारे ते आपण लिहिणार आहोत. Y is a set 2 3 5 7 11 13. Okay, 17 and the last is 19. This is the Y set. Okay, other than Y 1 4 6 8 9 10 12 14 15 16 18 20. Okay, now next, U is equals to 1 2 3 7 8 9 10 11 12. P is equals to 1 3 7 10. Then show that set U P P dash by Venn diagram. Okay, and verify P complement and its complement is equals to P. Now the first we will show P and P complement by Venn diagram. First this is the universal set घेणार. P दाखवणार त्यामध्ये. P is a 1 3 7 10. हा P पूर्ण दाखवलाय आपण. And other than P, that is a 2 8 9 11 12. Okay, okay, तुम्ही बघू शकताय. Next, verify P complement and its complement is equals to P. That is a complement of complement is the original set. Now we'll verify this. P is 1 3 7 10. We'll verify complement of complement, that is P complement and its complement is equals to P. Here P complement is 2 8 9 11 12 and its a complement means the elements which are not in P complement but they are in U. The elements are 1 3 7 10 and this is nothing but P. Okay, and therefore from 1 and 2 complement of complement that is equals to P. Now next example, A is equals to in curly bracket 1 3 7 10 11 12. 1 3 7 10 11 12. 1 3 7 10 11 12. 1 3 7 10 11 12. 1 3 7 10 11 12. 1 3 7 10 11 12. 1 3 7 10 11 12. 1 3 7 10 11 12. 1 3 7 10 11 12. 1 3 7 10 11 12. 1 3 7 10 11 12. 1 3 7 10 11 12. 1 3 7 10 11 12. 1 3 7 10 11 12. 1 3 7 10 11 12. 1 3 7 10 11 12. 1 3 7 10 11 12. 1 3 7 10 11 12. 1 3 7 10 11 12. 1 3 7 10 11 12. 1 3 7 10 11 12. 1 3 7 10 11 12. 1 3 7 10 11 12. 1 3 7 10 11 12. 1 3 7 10 11 12. 1 3 7 10 11 12. 1 3 7 10 11 12. 1 3 7 10 11 12. 1 3 to 7. Then write any three subsets of A. या प्रकारे आपल्याला ते लिहिता येतील. First subset is 5, next is 1, 3, 2, 7, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 7, 3, 2, 3, 7, 2, 7, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 7, 1, 2, 7, 3, 2, 7 या प्रकारे आपल्याला ते सबसेट्स लिहिता येतील. Okay, any three subsets you can write here 1, 3, 2, 7. Okay, next write the subset relation between the set. P is a set of all resident in Pune. M is the set of all resident in Madhya Pradesh. I is the set of all residents in Indore. B is the set of all resident in India. H is the set of all resident in Maharashtra. Okay, now see the one by one. First, the resident of Pune are also residents of Maharashtra. Okay, therefore P is a subset of H. Okay. Next, H म्हणजे काय तर residents of Maharashtra, P is a residents of Pune. Next, the resident of Pune are also residents of India. Therefore, P is a subset of B. Okay. Next, the residents of Indore are also residents of Madhya Pradesh. Indore कुठे तर ते मध्य प्रदेशमध्ये आहे. Therefore, I is a subset of M. The residents of Indore are also residents of India. Therefore, I is a subset of B. Okay, the residents of Madhya Pradesh are also the residents of India. That is, M is a subset of B. Okay. The residents of Maharashtra are also the residents of India. That is, the H is subset of B. Okay. H is a subset of B. From above, all the sets are subset of B. Okay, and therefore B is a set of residents of India can be chosen as the universal set. Okay, now the next example. Which set of numbers could be universal set for the given below? First, A is equals to set of multiples of 5, B is equals to set of multiples of 7, C is equals to set of multiples of 12. Now see this here. A means what? 5, 10, 15 up to infinity. B is equals to multiples of 7, 7, 14, 21 up to infinity. C is equals to multiples of 12, 12, 24, 36 up to infinity. Okay. Now see this here. N is equals to set of natural number 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. W is equals to set of whole number. किती येतं 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. Next, I is equals to set of integers 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 up to minus infinity. Sets A, B and C are the subsets of हे तिन्ही सेट्स कोणाचे सबसेट्स आहेत तर set of natural number, whole number as well as set of integers. Okay, and therefore any of the sets म्हणजे W, N, I हे कसे तर युनिव्हर्सल सेट आपण ट्रीट करणार आहोत. Any of the sets N, W or I can be taken as the universal set for the set A, B and C. Okay. Now the next, P is equals to the set of integers which are multiple of 4. T is equals to the set of even square numbers. P is equals to 4, 8, 12 up. हे सर्व multiples of 4 आहेत. And next, set of even square means what? 2 raised to 2, 4 raised to 2, 6 raised to 2 up to infinity. Okay. Now again, N is equals to 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. W is equals to set of whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. And I is equals to set of integers 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 up to minus infinity. Okay. Any of the set N, W or I can be taken as universal set for the P and T. Okay, हे युनिव्हर्सल सेट होणार आहे N, W और I या वरच्या सेटसाठी P आणि T सेटसाठी. Okay, and in this way we have completed the practice set 1.3. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.